Chapter 9. Decimals. We will learn expanded and standard form, like and unlike decimals, operations on decimals. Decimals cannot be used to show one whole item. Half of something can be written as 0.5. Expanded and standard form. Let us review the expanded form of decimal numbers. Example, write 2,453,856.1096 in expanded form. 2 millions, 4 hundred thousands, 5 ten thousands, 3 thousands, 8 hundreds, 5 tens, 6 ones. Decimal point. 1 1/10th, 0 100th, 6 1,000th, 9 1/10,000th. 2,453,856.1069 is equal to 2 into 1 million plus 4 into 100,000 plus 5 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 1 into 1/10th plus 0 into 100th plus 6 into 1,000th plus 6 into 1/10,000th. 2 millions plus 400,000 plus 50,000 plus 3,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 3 plus 1/10 plus 0 plus 6/1,000 plus 9/10,000. Fraction expansion. 2 millions plus 400,000 plus 50,000 plus 3,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 3 plus 0.1 plus 0 plus 0.006 plus 0.0009. Decimal expansion. Conversions. Conversion of decimals into fractions. To convert decimals into fractions, follow these steps. Step 1. Remove the decimal point. Step 2. Write the number as the numerator of the fraction. Step 3. The denominator of the fraction will be followed by as many zeros as there are digits after the decimal point. Example, convert 27.451 into a fraction. Solution, 27.451 is equal to 27451 upon 1000. Option, 27,451 upon 1000. 27.451. Step 1. Remove decimal. 27451. Step 2. 27451 upon 1000. As many zeros as there are digits after the decimal. Conversion of fractions into decimals. We know that decimal is a fraction which has denominators as 10, 100, 1000, etc. We use this fact to convert a fraction into a decimal. Step 1. Write the equivalent fraction of the given fraction such that the denominator is 10, 100 or 1000. Step 2. Remove the denominator. Step 3. In the numerator, count the digits from the right. Count as many digits as there are zeros in the denominator. Place the decimal point. Example, convert 1/4 into a decimal. Solution, convert 1/4 into an improper fraction. 1/4 is equal to 5 upon 4. 5 upon 4 is equal to 5 into 25 upon 4 into 25 is equal to 125 upon 100 is equal to 1.25. Example, convert 1 upon 125 into a decimal. Solution, 1 upon 125 is equal to 1 into 8 upon 125 into 8 is equal to 8 upon 1000. To write the decimal number, we need 3 digits number in the numerator because there are 3 zeros in the denominator. But the numerator is a 1-digit number. Therefore, we write 2 zeros in front of 8 and then put the decimal point in front of them. 8 upon 1000 is equal to 0.008. Like and unlike decimals. A decimal number is made up of 2 parts, a whole number part and a decimal part. The digits that lie on the left-hand side of the decimal point form the whole number part. The digits that lie on the right-hand side of the decimal point form the decimal part. Whole number part 468. Option 468. Decimal point 235. Decimal part. If there is no whole number part in a decimal number, then a 0 can be written in the place of the whole number part. 2 decimals are said to be like decimal if the number of digits in the decimal part are the same. Example, 2.56, 1.08, 41.45 and 72.30 are like decimals. If the number of digits in the decimal part of 2 numbers is different, then the decimal numbers are called unlike. Example, 1.43, 42.3, 69.212 are unlike decimals. It is possible to convert an unlike decimal into a like decimal. Example, convert 2.643, 1.9, 34.72 and 9.0 into like decimals. The number 2.643 has the highest number of digits after the decimal point. There are 3 digits after the decimal point in 2.643. We add the required number of zeros so that each of the other numbers has 3 places after the decimal point. 1.9 is equal to 1.900. 34.72 is equal to 34.720. 9.0 is equal to 9.000. Therefore, 2.643, 1.900, 34.720 and 9.000 are like decimals. The zeros added at the end of a decimal number do not have any value. To compare 2 unlike decimals, we have to convert them into like decimals. Example, compare 3.4 and 2.64. Solution, 3.4 and 2.64 are unlike decimals. To convert them to like decimals, we write 3.4 as 3.40. 3.40 is greater than 2.64. Operations on decimals. Addition and subtraction of decimals. Addition and subtraction of decimal numbers is similar to the addition and subtraction of whole numbers. Care should be taken while adding unlike decimals. The position of the decimal point in all the numbers should be aligned correctly. That is, they should come one below the other in a straight line. Example, add 2.2, 12.78, 15.009. Tens, ones, tenths, hundredths, thousands. 2.200 plus 12.780 plus 15.009 is equal to 29.989. Multiplication and division of decimals. To multiply decimal numbers, the following steps have to be followed. Multiply the two numbers without considering the decimal point. Count the number of decimal places in both the numbers. Then, count the same number of digits from the right in the product. Place the decimal point before them. The number of decimal places in the product has to be the same as the total number of digits after the decimal point in the two numbers together. Example, multiply 2.12 by 1.2. Step 1. Multiply without decimal points. 212 into 12 is equal to 2554. Step 2. Number of decimal places in 2.12 is 2 and 1.2 is 1. Step 3. The product should therefore have 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 decimal places. Step 4. 2.12 into 1.2 is equal to 2.544. Division of decimals. Division of a decimal number by a whole number. Divide 2.43 by 3. 2.43 divided by 3 is equal to 0.81. 2 is less than 3. Therefore, 0 is placed in the whole number part. Then, place the decimal point. Bring down 4 and now 24 is divisible by 3. Division of a decimal by a decimal. To divide a decimal by a decimal, the following steps have to be followed. Step 1. Move the decimal point in the divisor to the right by enough places to make it a whole number. Step 2. The decimal number in the dividend is also moved by the same number of places to the right. Step 3. Now, divide as if the divisor and the dividend are whole numbers. Step 4. Continue division till the remainder is 0 or the quotient keeps on repeating. Step 5. Enter zeros to the right of the dividend as and when required. Example, divide 4.305 by 1.23. Divisor 1.23. 123. Dividend 4.305. 430.5. Decimal point moved in divisor and dividend. 430.5 divided by 123 is equal to 3.5. Divide like ordinary numbers till the quotient keeps repeating or the remainder is 0. Zeros can be added to the right of the dividend if required. Therefore, 430.5 divided by 1.23 is equal to 3.5. Multiplication and division of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. When multiplying a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, etc., move the decimal point to as many places on the right as there are zeros. 10 into 1.25 into 10 is equal to 12.5. There is 1 zero in 10. Therefore, the decimal point moves one place to the right. 100 into 3.095 is equal to 309.5. There are 2 zeros in 100. Therefore, the decimal point moves 2 places to the right. 1000 into 1.783 is equal to 1783. There are 3 zeros in 1000. Therefore, the decimal point moves 3 places to the right. When a decimal number is divided by 10, 100, 1000, etc., the decimal point moves as many places to the left as there are zeros. 0. 1.02 divided by 10 is equal to 0.102. There is 1 0 in 10. Therefore, the decimal point moves one place to the left. 2.8 divided by 100 is equal to 0.028. There are 2 zeros in 100. Therefore, the decimal point moves 2 places to the left. 1.2 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.0012. There are 3 zeros in 1000. Therefore, the decimal point moves 3 places to the left. Divide by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Decimal point moves left. Multiply by 10, 100, 1000, etc.